Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus, a luxury style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is a short unboxing. This is an unexpected, unplanned impulse buy. So if you're interested in checking out what I picked up from Chanel, just keep on watching. As always, the packaging is beautiful. It's got the camellia on here, and let's go ahead and unbox this. I was just texting with my SA. She sent me a photo and I was, yes, I think I want that. And that's how we ended up with this right here. Got a velvet pouch, and this is a true unboxing. I did receive this on Thursday, I believe, but I have not opened it. A thank you card from Nordstrom, the care booklet from Chanel. And now let's get into this beauty. Can you guess what this is? Here it is. This is from the 20B collection, and it is the phone card holder. It is in the beautiful black goat skin with the gorgeous CC and the leather intertwined with gold hardware. This is what the back looks like, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots for cards. It has a slip pocket in the front, and then it's got a zipper, a leather tab. Let's go ahead and open. And inside, inside we've got the Chanel card, and this is a 30 series, the authenticity card. The interior is a reddish pinkish color. It is not your typical burgundy, and I think it is coming up pretty much true to color. Inside, it has room for 3 more cards. It has the Chanel leather tab right here, and this one was made in Italy. I am so excited. I thought this was so beautiful. And I really have been thinking about getting another wallet, but I wasn't really sure if I wanted a full-size wallet. And this, I think, is really, really cool. Let me try and show you. I know there's like a glare in here. Here is the information, and again, from the 20B collection. And you're supposed to put in your cell phone in here. Now, I am still recording on my cell phone. However, I have borrowed my husband's. This is a iPhone XR, I think, which is a little different from mine. Mine is a little smaller, but I'm going to go ahead and stick it in here. He also has a case on the phone, but as you can see, it does fit. And you close it up, and you still can have some credit cards right here, and you've got this slot right here. Now this is very tight right now. Again, his iPhone is larger than mine. My iPhone is a 10. This one is a 10R, I think. So for whatever the reason, it is larger than mine, but it does fit in here without an issue. I'm really excited. So there are no CCs on the end of the zipper. Again, it has gold hardware and a leather tab, and then just the really pretty CCs in the front. And this matches, of course, with, hang on, my Chanel 19, but I figured black is really a neutral color. It'll go with everything. Of course, it fits without an issue in this bag. Now, I checked the Chanel website and I saw that these are going to be, or are available in different colors. I think there's a really pretty burgundy. I believe there's a pretty burgundy, and there was 2 other colors that I saw. I did not see a beige one, because if I had seen one, I may have been tempted to get it in that color, but I think that black is just pretty universal. Let's go ahead and check out the measurements on this cutie, and it is about 8 inches in length, and it is about 4 inches tall, and the width is just like impossible, because it's not very wide, as you can see. Now, if you look here, you'll see and hear that it puffs out here to kind of give you a little bit more room than what a typical envelope. Let's see if you can see that. Okay. So yeah, you can definitely get your cell phone in here and the credit cards, but that's about all you're going to be able to fit if you have your cell phone in the phone holder. I would find this very, very convenient, especially when you're at work and you want to go, let's say you want to run out and pick up some lunch, or you want to go downstairs to the cafeteria and you don't want to take a million things. You can definitely take your phone in here. You've got your credit cards, and then you can just go downstairs, pay for your lunch, and come right back up. So I think this is a fabulous, fabulous piece, and I'm excited to have picked it up. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, hit the thumbs up and the notification bell so that you can find out every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye.